Hello, I'm Brian Caplen, editor of The Banker. We're at Sibos Toronto 2017. I'm with Alain Raes, who's the SWIFT Chief Executive for Europe, Middle East, Africa and Asia. Alan, one of the big topics, of course, of Sibos is instant payments. SWIFT recently did a deal with EBA clearing on instant payments. Tell us a bit about that and also the other things that you're doing globally.
Indeed. Yes, we have announced just a few days ago before Sibos that we were striking a deal with EBA to supporting their RT1 platform and connecting the banks to this new platform that they have as well. This deal actually has been very well welcomed by the banks. Actually, the banks were clearly looking to having SWIFT stepping into this new platform, making sure that they can benefit from the synergies of the SWIFT platform to connecting to their RT1 platform, to other real-time payment systems, and obviously the traditional world of SWIFT. So I think really good welcome from the banks.
So a big step forward in Europe, but you've also got things in Australia, for example.
Obviously, yes, this is really the flagship. You know that we've taken some sort of sabbatical leave into real-time space for a year, but obviously we kept working on developing our NPP platform in Australia. That is going very well. Touch wood, we hope to going live by the end of November. Important decision to be taken in Australia next week for the going live, but we are very much comfortable that by the end of November, we're going to be live with that platform.
Okay, and what sort of reception are you getting in the industry to instant payments? I mean, how important do clients think it is?
Well, listen, I mean, clearly the question is not about the what, it's more about the when. I think the world, the industry has understood that the trend is about moving to real time. Still, I do believe that despite the numerous initiatives you see in the world, like in Australia, like in Europe, like in Singapore where I am living, there's still a lot of work to be done because the principle, the real challenge that banks are facing is how to make sure that the complete chain of payments end-to-end is fully real-time, or to making sure that the payments, when it's done, it's actually posted real-time in the ledgers.
Okay, so on that, let me bring in GPI, because how does GPI fit together with instant payments?
Well, ultimately, I do believe it can create some sort of interoperability mechanism in between real-time payment schemes. It's going to take a while, okay? So I don't want to taking and say it's going to happen.
That's the long-term goal.
I think the long-term goal, we've proven that with GPI we can deliver international payments very fast in a few minutes. So what about connecting real-time payment schemes that are domestic internationally and making sure the transfer can happen?
Okay, and just on instant payments, I mean, what is your measure for success on instant payments? You know?
Well, I think SWIFT is about providing seamless access to multiple platforms. So one of the measures clearly is making sure that when it comes to Europe, we can develop this new platform, which is multi-CSM as rapidly as possible and connecting to them actually as many banks as possible.
Alan, thank you very much.
Thank you.